I'm going to slowly modify that. If equal to so if you put that, here is where the execution will start. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put these guys outside, which is good. Without parallelism now not needed. So let me comment it out. What has happened to the script? Okay, now the jumbled things are coming up. Okay. So all these things I'm moving under the main thread. All these things I'm moving under the main thread. So import to threading is fine. Where is import to time these days? Okay, guys, the same thing only. I have moved everything under this check. So this check, right? I need to remove this and then change it to end time 1, start time 1. It's still getting executed. Okay. So here I want to find out the operating system ID. What am I supposed to do? Print PID at main function is os dot get PID, right? Now let us do the same thing here as well and here as well. PID at myfunc1 at myfunc1. So here myfunc2. So obviously I should import the module called OS. So I'm saving it. Let me check what. Okay. So now what do you see, guys? Is it relatively better? So how many minutes? 14 plus 7, 21 minutes got saved now, right? Guys, 21 minutes, right? Oh, 14 plus 17 minutes.
17 minutes. 17 seconds.
So obviously now it is better than 10% now, right? So now it is a bit higher than 10%. I think it should be 14% or so. Likewise, if you keep adding more and more execution time, then the savings will be much better. Right? So likewise, we can do. Now our goal is to find out how many PID IDs are being used. Okay. To save the execution time, I'm going to change it to only 4. Okay. Only 4 so that we can find out. Our goal is not to measure the execution time, right? Our goal is to find out the PID ID. So now I'm going to execute that. What happened? What happened? Why is it not printing anything? So print name is there, I less than. So 4 times it should print, right? Okay, let us check. Surprising. So is there any typo that I have made, guys? Can you guys quickly check? I unknowingly put that double quotes. Forget about it. Can you guys tell me what is the PID at the main function? What is the PID at the main function?
1778.
How about at myfunc1?
Same ID.
Same ID.
myfunc2? Now what is the conclusion?
All the threads are using the same process.
Yeah. So this is having an inside communication amongst your family members. Okay. Right. So this is how we can prove that overall, how many of our multi-threads that you do, it is going to consume only one process ID because They are all the child of the parent process ID. Guys, I'm done with the multi-threading. Any questions, any doubts?
Sir, if we use